As we are discussing about the gates, as you know now that what are the gates used for and how they control the flow of electricity. The first gate, as you can see, that is AND gate, A and D. Always remember whenever you write this A and D, don't write in small letters. When you are going to discuss about AND gate, this must be in capital. So what the AND gate is? The AND gate is when both input and output, both input A and B, is high voltage. That means whenever there is A and there is B, so the output will be high voltage as well. AND gate is denoted by the following figure. As you can see, here's a figure, and here's a figure, this one figure. This is figure whenever there is inputs A and B, they are high voltage. I can say that high voltage can be 1 and 1. And we have an output X. So the output X will be high voltage as well. We can denote it. What are the inputs? What are the outputs? So for this, we can use the truth table. The truth table is actually whenever we want that whenever we have an input like high voltage or low voltage, and there's if there are two inputs, input A and B, so whenever there's high voltage or there is a low voltage, what will be the output? So here, if you can see here, this is our truth table, and this truth table is used so for what our output is. So whenever we have input A is 0, whenever here it will be 0, and the input B will be 0, whenever they both have the low voltage, the output will be the low voltage as well. And whenever this is the first condition, and now we have another. Another is that whenever we have high voltage at input A and low voltage at input B, so the output will be low voltage as well. And the third condition is that whenever we have at input A is low voltage, there's a low voltage whenever we have a low voltage here, and whenever we have high voltage here at B, so the output will be low voltage here at X. And the four conditions, which is actually its definition, whenever we have input A, yani here we have a high voltage and at B side is high voltage, and so we can get high voltage at output as well. So how to write this? We can write this as logic notation A and B. A and B are actually inputs and X is the output, and the gate which is used here is AND gate. And in Boolean we can write it at A dot B. Thank you.